Today we're going to look at 2 deeply relaxing postures, something that you can do at any time of the day. If you're feeling low or if you're feeling just out of sorts, you can come back to these postures. Vajrasana. Take your heels back and sort of touch your big toes. Bring your knees together and sit on top of your heels. And just breathe. Vajrasana helps to regulate. Vajrasana helps people with acidity issues or indigestion issues. So if you're feeling a little queasy in your stomach, you can come to this posture and breathe and try to push down on your heels, on the heels with your hips, and just draw your shoulders back and breathe. Drishti to the third eye. Now we're going to look at Savasana, which is everybody's favorite posture because it comes at the end of all yoga practices, and it is basically lying down but with conscious breathing. So lie down on your mat. Make sure there's no tension in your neck or your shoulders, back. Everything is relaxed. Feet relaxed and palms turned up beside your body, and just no tension. None of this, none of that. Just relax and breathe. Listen to the sound of your breath. Draw attention to your breath and visualize your breath moving inside your body. Drishti towards your third eye, and just let everything go. And all your practices with Savasana. This is extremely important as it allows our body to recover from all the physically demanding postures that you just did. You can stay here for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour. But make sure to give your body time to recover. If you want to see more videos on Ashtanga Yoga and the basic postures, please like and subscribe to this channel.